Hello guys, welcome to my new channel. So before installing Ubuntu in Windows, as in VirtualBox, so a few things you have to set up. So as you can see, step one, minimum 3.1 GB required to download software. So VirtualBox and the Ubuntu ISO file. So let's see how to download. Go to the any browser, search for Ubuntu, search Ubuntu, and as you can see, one link is given. Click on that. Accept all and reject side. Okay, click on download button and click on this 20.04 LTS. LTS means long term support, so you have to click on long term support only. You can even download the previous version. As you can see here, the size is 3.1 GB. So I told minimum 3.1 GB is required. It may changes. I had already downloaded, so I'm not downloading it. I'm canceling it. And second one is this Oracle box. So Oracle, type Oracle box in the search box, search engine, and after that, click on this download button. I will share all the links in the description. So you can see, click on Windows Post. Here it is, start downloading. Okay, so I'm canceling it because I had already downloaded. Pausing it. Okay, so totally 3.1 GB plus 100 GB. So minimum 3.3 GB is required for you. Now second step, 310 GB in SSD hard disk. If the hard disk is not free, make it a free size or delete movies or in which are not important files. And after that, the last, like, share and subscribe. So let's go for installation. As you can see, this is VirtualBox and this is Ubuntu ISO file. Click on VirtualBox to install. Okay, click next. As you can see, here the program file Oracle, you can change it. Here is at this location the VirtualBox is downloaded. So next, okay, leave everything same as it is. Click on yes, install. Click finish button. As you can see, it started VirtualBox. So at last time I was installing. I will create a new one for you guys. See how to install a one. So, create. Click on new. Okay. So you have to write name of the virtual machine. So I'm using the version is 20.04. Leave everything same it is. So click on next. Here I told you to require minimum 10 GB. So if you don't want, you can directly go to the green when it is ending. So as you can see here, minimum GB required. Click on next. Leave everything same. Don't change anything. Create the virtual disk image. Okay. So here it is asking for dynamic allocator pixels. I'm actually going to go for dynamic allocator. Okay, as you can see here it is 10 GB require space. Click on create. Save this. This is second one. Don't choose for this one. This is okay. But don't. So now go. Few things came up from the Ubuntu. Okay. Don't click on start button. Go to the setting. Then in general, go to advanced. And here it is disabled. So what you have to do is do it bidirectional. Bidirectional means you can copy your paste from Windows to Ubuntu and vice versa. So make bidirectional. If you don't know what is bidirectional, search on internet. And description you can type whatever you want. So I'm writing as hello, welcome to virtual world. Okay. In this description, leave it same relative system. Do not touch anything. Directly go to storage. So as you can see, this is empty controller. Click on this. Okay. Click on this one. Choose a disk file. So what you have to do is choose on this file. Choose and create the folder. Here you can see. So I'm going to this file. So just fill up. And find this one. There it is. Control B. File to add. Go to the file. Click on that. Choose. What you have to do is basically come here, click on choose on this, and here it is Ubuntu. Click on that. Press open. Now go and start. Now click install. So it is checking all the systems. Click on this. If you try to maximize this, here it is not showing full, but I will get a fix this. Wait a few times. 2 minutes. Okay, my installation begins. Uninstall. Select a language. So I'm leaving as it is. Keyboard languages. So what is it? Directly click on next. Here you can change this minimal installation basics. So I'm directly going to a minimal installation. I don't want games in the media player. That I can do it. Next. As you can see here it is the errors install Ubuntu, but this is a virtual machine. It will not erase anything. So just click on install button. Continue. It is Kolkata. I'm writing it again in B. Okay. Some continue. Write your name. Write pins. Put in password. Red book numbers. That install. Hmm. We enter. Now, as you can see, Ubuntu is successfully installed. Okay, here it asks for password. So enter your password, and now get a fresh new Ubuntu in a virtual box. So I told earlier how you cannot make it a full issue. A few steps. You can skip this. Next. Okay. Not require. Click on that. Okay. In the setup. But as you can see, it is a small window, but have to maximize and make it into a full screen. So what you have to do is go into a terminal. Okay. And do three things. First, type sudo apt-get install update. Okay, type your password, then press enter. Then again you have to type same thing, upgrade. I had already executed, so it's coming directly. The next thing you have to do is run this command. Okay, as you can see, it is unable to locate package dkms linux, so it is not working. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not work. In my case, it is not working. So what you have to do is you have to close this one. Okay, close this window. I'm not closing it, I'm telling you what to do. Go on virtualbox and in setting, as you can see, go into the storage, and as you can see, this is a control ID. Right click on it. Okay, and it will show the remove version. Okay, here it is, storage. It will ask you to remove it, controller ID. Okay, you have to remove this, then again restart your Ubuntu, and that's all. You are done. I had already done it, so it is not showing for me. So if I make it full screen, it is working. See, it is working. It takes time. It is a virtual box, so it takes time. So no need to do. Thanks for watching this video.